In today's video, we will guide Okta admins on how to use MS-Graph via PowerShell to disable the Okta Office 365 domain federation. Let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Azure Admin Console. Under Custom Domain Names, verify that the domain in question is federated. Now, in the Windows search bar, type Windows PowerShell and run as administrator. From here, type in the first commandlet available in the description and press Enter. You may be prompted to sign into your Microsoft admin account. If so, log in. To review the configuration for the federated domain, type in the second commandlet available in the description. To view the configuration in a list format, add pipe format list. After confirming the results, type the third commandlet available in the description. The defederation between your Okta and your Office 365 domain should now be complete. You can rerun the first commandlet available in the description. A 404 not found should be returned, which is expected. Navigate back to your Microsoft Azure Admin Console in the browser and refresh the Custom Domain Names page. Verify that the domain federation is no longer checked. Thank you for watching. Check out our Okta support playlist for more. We encourage you to like and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest help resources.